Check it out, guys. I am at Veterans Park in Florence, Alabama. And this is the plane of a friend that I know, which is Lieutenant Colonel R. Edward Yoding. And I think he flew this F-40 Phantom. I would say Vietnam era, I think. But this is the plane right here, which is gigantic. I don't even know if I can get it all on video. I can't get inside the little gate to show it. It's an awesome plane. And my favorite is the copter. Is that a Cobra copter? This is a Veterans Park. It's a very cool Veterans Park. It has a bunch of different Army vehicles and such. Let's get one more look at the copter. The plane is huge. God, so huge. Look at the copter, guys. It's amazing. I want to fly in it. Some artillery. I'll show you again in daytime sometime where you can see better. They're doing construction on this park, it looks like. I came to play pickleball or to look at the pickleball and tennis courts, and they are not here anymore. So that's kind of strange. I hope they put them back in. Look at the minigun. Full arsenal of missiles on this baby. Look at the size of the wings. I'm getting dizzy, and I'd get real dizzy if I rode in it, I'm sure. Anyway, thank you guys. Wanted to take a quick video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.